What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.01401, up 1.9 on the day. See market cap of 349 million, 24-hour volume, 59 million. We are currently in trades for Gala, Solana, Ethereum. All signals were given in the Discord. For $10 a month, you can sign up to the Patreon link. So we pushed up in what looks like a wave 1. We broke the bullish confirmation of the wave 4. We broke this downsloping trend line. So pretty decent chance that we do end up seeing continuation to the upside. So potentially wave 1, pullback, and a wave 2, the micro count. The pullback zone is in between 0.01351, the 50%, the 78.6, 0.01295. That could also offer a long trade entry. Just about to print the bullish cross. We have printed the bullish cross on the 4-hour. If we just continue up, then this impulse isn't over. But if we do pull back, watch for a bounce from the zone. If we were to invalidate that level, we do have 2 entries for our trades just in case we do end up trickling down to bring down our average price. It's looking pretty good on the daily. Bullish divergences, RSI crossing the 50 line, a lot of money flowing back in. Successful retest of the falling wedge, so I do think there's a good chance that we do begin to break out. We also have a double bottom pattern and see continuation to the upside. If we do come down and validate that low, that's perfectly okay. As I mentioned, we have 2 entries for our trade, so we're ready with either scenario. But in the short term, if we pull back from here, look for a bounce in this target zone and then push up in a wave 3. We broke the bullish confirmation, the downsloping trend line, so we do have bullish signals, and we have the RSI crossing the 50 line, so we do have some signs we could potentially see some nice continuation to the upside. That's it for this one. As I mentioned, we're in 3 trades right now. Firstly, make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. Trade futures, trade spot. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20 free to trade with, $1,000, $200 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. My signals are $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Daily crypto analysis. My exact trade setups, as I mentioned, we're in trades for Gala, Ethereum, and Solana. Solana we're already up 40% on our sold trade. Crypto news, member profits, all plays, Forex signals analysis. We're looking to get in silver and gold. We're currently in trades for US oil. So not only can you trade crypto, but as well as Forex. For $10 a month, you spend $10 every single day. All links down below in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, goes a long way. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.